The effect of the global pandemic continued to be felt this past year, with a real impact on the supply chain. The good news is that the demand for automobiles, both new and pre-owned, is very high. People just can't get enough of their cars. In 2021, CRP continued to forge ahead in the face of ongoing challenges and continue to not only persevere, but innovate. We continued our commitment to bringing you fresh content and releasing all new Inside the Brands videos. We debuted 9 new episodes in 2021, taking our series total to 138. This season's Inside the Brands videos covered our AAE, Pentosin, and Rein Automotive brands, and included numerous product advisories to help you steer clear of common issues and misdiagnoses. We also developed a few overview episodes addressing topics such as what is the most technical of all the automotive fluids, and the ubiquity of electronic power steering, or EPS. All in all, we're up to nearly 300,000 views for Inside the Brands since it began, and we're planning to continue the series in 2022. Thanks for watching. We hope you continue to tune in and choose the CRP Automotive family of brands.